Every year, at least 1,000 Ohio children are involved in sex trafficking, and more than 3,000 children are at risk of becoming victims. Good evening, everyone. I'm Christian Brown.
And I'm Lee Conklin. Thanks for joining us this half hour. This is really a shocking reality for those fighting human trafficking. And tonight, only on 13 ABC, two former FBI agents want to help, but they're concerned about red tape.
Here's 13 ABC's Washington Bureau Chief Jacqueline Policastro as she continues her reporting in the series Sex Trafficking Exposed.
Bill Raccia and Bill Radcliffe spent 15 years working together as FBI agents in Toledo. But now they're in a new fight. They want to stop missing Ohio children from being lured into sex trafficking.
It's a very, very sinister lifestyle that we're trying to get them away from.
The retired special agents say their career together fighting organized crime prepared them for this.
Do you think that our community needs a wake-up call when it comes to this particular issue, sex trafficking?
We need a wake-up call, yes, in Northwest Ohio, but we need a wake-up call everywhere in the country, because it's not a problem that's going away, it's a growing problem.
The men tell us they've been working for nearly 2 years to get clearance to help search for missing children, but their efforts are bound by red tape.
As retired agents, we are retired. We no longer have any authority under any federal statute. If we go out and start knocking on doors to look for children, to develop leads in finding them, if we do so without any authority, we're in effect vigilantes.
Raccia and Radcliffe have asked for credentials and liability insurance from the Toledo Police Department, Lucas County Sheriff's Office, Toledo FBI Office, Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation, and National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. So far, they've been denied.
Both former agents tell me they're not looking for a second career or to get rich. They're simply trying to help young girls at risk in our community.
And the risk is great. Experts tell us when a child runs away, there's only a 2-week window to find them before they might be absorbed into trafficking. There is a child exploitation FBI task force in Northwest Ohio, but it only focuses on children who are already trafficked, not those who are missing and actively being recruited into trafficking.
If there's a plea that you have for whoever's going to decide whether or not you guys can get back on the streets, what is it?
We have a cadre of retired agents who are willing and anxious to get involved. They all have the same question: what would be my authority? What would be my liability? And once those issues are covered, I think we can do a lot of good and prevent a lot of tragedy.
The former agents don't just want to volunteer their time in Ohio, they want to expose the link between our nation's missing children and their vulnerability to sex trafficking.
We're looking at something we can translate potentially to other cities across the country.
And with an estimated 100,000 trafficked children in the U.S. every year, fighting the problem could make Raccia and Radcliffe the hardest working retired agents out there. Reporting in Toledo, Jacqueline Policastro, 13 ABC, Action News.
And this week, we've already heard from victims, community activists, and now former FBI agents. But what's the state of Ohio doing to help? Tomorrow, Jacqueline will talk to Attorney General Mike DeWine and one trafficking expert who says Ohio politicians are not doing enough.